This one-pot vegetarian mushroom stroganoff takes 10 ingredients and is a cinch to make. It's a cozy and comforting weeknight dinner that we've been making for years. The noodles cook directly in the sauce, soaking up flavor and making cleanup a breeze. Start by heating up oil, then sauté onions until they're golden around the edges. Add mushrooms and cook, stirring only occasionally until they're golden brown. Then add a bit more oil, garlic, and thyme and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until it smells amazing. Sprinkle in some flour. This is going to help thicken the sauce. Toss to coat the vegetables evenly. Now add the vegetable broth. Use a really flavorful broth here because it makes a difference in the final dish. Stir and bring to a boil. Scatter in dried noodles and stir to cover them with liquid. Then let them cook until the noodles have softened and the sauce has thickened slightly, about 4 minutes. Then pour in milk. We use milk here as a lighter alternative to sour cream. Keep cooking until the noodles are done, stirring gently to avoid breaking them. Spoon the hot noodles and sauce into pasta bowls. Top with parm and parsley and dig in.